Hey guys, Jim here from Jim's Tech. Today I've got a review of a wood case for the Pixel 2 XL. The company that makes these is called Carved, and they're in America. The cases themselves retail from anywhere from $29 to $39 US. The one I chose was the recycled skateboard. They do make cases for iPhones and Samsungs and the Pixel. The only thing is that for Android cases they only make what's called the Traveler case, which is a black TPU case with a wood panel on the back. As well, on the iPhone you've got a clear Traveler and you've also got an Edge case. But anyway, we'll go ahead and open it up and have a look at it. So the packaging itself is quite nice. You can see and feel the case. So we'll open it up. What have we got here? We've got a little card. Tells you about Rod Dash. We've got a naturally unique, what's in here? Okay, so you get a nice little carved sticker and bookmark, I guess. And we'll go ahead and have a look at the case itself. So, as I was saying, the case itself is a TPU case. It has got a textured pattern on the side. The buttons, it does show indents for the buttons, but they're very flush, so they might not be the best or easiest to press. Got a big cutout for the fingerprint sensor, nice cutout for the camera, USB-C cutout, and obviously the microphone cutout. Inside, everyone from the company that's on it just says carved.com. So we'll go ahead and select the phone in it. So there we go, it goes on quite easily. Regarding a raised lip, it did say on the website that it does have a raised lip. It looks like it's got one, but it doesn't look like it's a massive lip. Like if I was to use this to sit on it, you can see that it does have a slight gap on it, but we're not talking a huge lip where, you know, if you were to drop it, you might still hit it. The case itself, you can feel the wood. I do like the look of it, like it does look really nice. We'll go ahead and test the fingerprint, which should work quite easily, yep. Okay. Yep, that works. Obviously, because it's a big cutout, you can slide down. So it's got quite a decent cutout, so it leaves a decent gap from the fingerprint sensor. Squeeze functionality obviously works with this case as well. Now regarding the buttons, being the fact that it is a TPU case, they are very tactile, like they're very squishy and easy to press. But if you were just pulling it out and trying to feel for them, they're so flush mounted, they're not easy to identify, so you might end up clicking in between the volume rocker and the power button. Regarding the case, it adds a little bit of bulk, but not too bad. And if you sit it down, it does make the phone rock a little bit. Like it's not, I think the case itself sort of comes up a little bit around the fingerprint sensor, meaning that it's not sitting flush. But other than that, and obviously the buttons, the case itself does look nice. It is a unique thingo, a unique look, and I am quite liking it. But anyway, that's the recycled skateboard case from Carved, $39 US. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe, as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.